Hey songbirds, we're doing something a little different today. I got something in the mail. I had other things planned, but I decided I was going to do this instead, and we'll just do what I had planned for today tomorrow. So today is a little different. I got my Ipsy bag in. For those of you that don't know what an Ipsy bag is, it's a monthly makeup subscription, and it's kind of beauty too. It's probably one of the cheaper subscriptions, and so it's $10 a month, and they just sent me mine, and I'm excited to review the products. And so what's fun about this is we're doing it together. So I look a little crazy, my makeup's not completely finished because I'm hoping they've sent some makeup samples, which they usually do every single month. So we're gonna open it together. So let me know if there's anything that you've tried in here or anything you'd like to see me try. And I'm hoping if they have some makeup samples in here, I can try them on with you in real time right now, okay? So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, all right, it looks like there's a product that's not inside of the little bag. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, they're gonna send you 5 pretty much good size. Some of them are sample size, but some of them are the full size products, 5 little products that you get every single month, and it's really awesome. I've been very pleased with it. I've had it for about a year now, and I'm very pleased with all the products, and they're high quality. They're usually things that I probably wouldn't pay for myself. I really like drugstore makeup, and you know, anything. You can pretty much do anything with very little at drugstore and Walmart and Targets and those kind of smaller department stores. But the bag, the little pink mailing bag, comes with a cute bag, and I love that they're butterflies this month. That's really cute. My grandmother loved butterflies, so it makes me think of her. It's very cheery. It's perfect for spring. So each of the little every time you get your monthly bag, you're gonna get one of these little bags. And if you don't like to have hordes of bags, then you can always give it to somebody else. Or what I like to do is when I'm traveling, I'll use these as dividers, and I've got several of them that I can kind of use. Like this one will have hair ties and accessories. One of them will have some of my makeup stuff. One of them will probably have some of my earrings and those kind of accessories. So you can use them for really anything. Some of them are really cute, and I'll use them for the kids' pencils to hold in the car or something like that. So you can use them for lots of different things. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening the bag with you. One of the products, it looks like, it's a makeup brush, and it's by Vasanti, and they've sent other items before from Vasanti. I've got another, it's an eyeshadow brush, I'm guessing. Oh, okay, no, I got that wrong. It's a concealer buffer, okay. So if you conceal under your eyes like the beauty makeups do, you always know that you've got to blend it out, and the trick for flawless skin is really just to blend everything. Blend as much as you can. So this is a great brush. It's super soft, pretty dense. So it looks like you could really do a lot with it. I've got one of their eyeshadow brushes, and I love that. It's kind of more of a contour for your cut crease. You see how I've got a little bit of darker shadow right where my eyelid meets where that eye socket is. And I'll do darker lines in there from the shadow. And I really, really like what they've sent before, so this is gonna be a good brush, I think. So they probably did not put it inside the bag because it was too big. So sometimes they'll do that, especially if they have larger samples. So we've got, okay, I don't know what these are. Okay, it says Wander Beauty. I hope I'm saying that right. It says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Okay, this is different. I've never gotten anything like this, so it's always exciting to try new things, and there's 2 of them. 2 whole pairs of looks like, okay, so they're just eye masks. And okay, let me read this for you. This is new, I'm learning too. Okay, they're individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Okay, is this not what a mama needs? This is great. If y'all want to see me try these, I can try these on another video. So if you're interested in seeing what those do, then let me know in the comments below and I'll give them a test out. So, okay, on to the next product. All right, oh, Oprah Cosmetics. I love Oprah. I've gotten a blush from them before. This looks like it is, yes, it is a blush in Chameleon, I think is the color. It's a really pretty color. It's showing very dark pink for some reason. I don't know why it's showing up dark pink for y'all, but it's really not. It's a little bit more subtle, but it has blushy undertones. I really like pinks. I do like corals sometimes, but I find like my skin looks a little bit better with pinks. So I didn't really put a whole lot of blush on my cheeks today, so I might try that out while we're here. So that works great. Okay, so the next product is Coconut Micellar Cleansing Water. So this is awesome. It says all-in-one, soothing and ultra hydrating, no rinse and no rub formula, and it's oil-free. That's awesome. It looks like it's by Pure Effect, and these bottles are great for travel sizes. It's in just one ounce, so this is great. You're not gonna have airport security giving you any trouble with this. And it's great if you're just going away for a couple of days and then you'll have that in your bag. And I like things like this because you don't want to have to measure out a bunch of stuff if you don't want to. You can just pop this in my bag when I'm packing. And I know I'm not going to get any hassle from airport security when I'm going through. And it'll be interesting to see what it smells like. It's fresh. I don't usually like coconut, but that does smell fresh. It's not overpowering. So if you have sensitivities with smell, you probably wouldn't want to use this. It looks like it would be okay for all skin types is one of the things that it says on here. So if you have dry skin or oily skin, it'd be worth a try to try it out. If you want me to try it out one of these days, just pop a comment below also and let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in. And the last product, okay, so we have the eye masks, the cleansing water, this brush, and also the blush. So the next one is, okay, I gotta figure out what this is. Aurora. This is the brand Aurora for all lip lovers. Okay, it's a lip stain in the color salmon. All right, well, I have never tried a lip stain before, so this will be a first. I really need color on my lips. I wiped off what I had before so that I could try if there was anything. Usually you'll get a lip product. At least majority of the time I've gotten a lip product, and I'm all about lip products. So, and I also want it to last. So if it's a lip stain, that's pretty good, especially if you're a performer, if you're an actor, or if you're a public speaker or a singer, you're gonna want something that lasts a long time. It's pretty pink, so I hope it's not crazy overpowering or I might have to take it off because that might be a little too much for choir practice. So, all right, I'm gonna try it out. Oh my goodness. It looks like a marker. Have y'all ever seen this? This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it out. Just like the beauty gurus do. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this, guys. What do you think? That's pretty bright. It looks like a marker. And I'm a little bit nervous about a lip stain because if I don't care for it, it's gonna stay on. It's gonna stay on. It's pretty though. That's really pretty. So one of the tricks, what I did beforehand after I wiped off my lipstick is I put some powder on my lips, and that helps me to make sure that my lipstick or lip stain or whatever I wear is gonna stay for a long, long time. So let me try this out. We're gonna try this together. I'm super nervous. Why am I so nervous? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Usually I'll use a lip liner, but since this kind of looks like a lip liner, I'm gonna outline my lips first. I'm sorry, I got a new camera and so I'm trying to figure out where to look. There you are. Hello. It's so good to see you. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna line the lips first and then I'm gonna color in. It's like color by numbers. This is great. Okay, here we go. I always like to be super careful with this, so forgive me if I'm taking so much time. But if it's gonna stain my lips, I wanna make sure I'm extra careful. Okay, so first impressions, super dark, super dark. So you have to really be okay with a bold lip color, and you want to be careful that it's not going to make your teeth look more yellow, because certain undertones can make your teeth more yellow. But first impressions, I will say it goes on like it feels like you're putting on a highlighter on your face. I'm not kidding. It's like very wet, but it starts to dry down. Like, look, if you see that, there's only a little bit of transfer. Yeah, so there's like hardly anything. All right, so I'm gonna try and I'm gonna color in. That is going to stay probably till tomorrow and the next day. Okay, well that is super duper bright. It's pretty. I think it's perfect for if you're going on stage, but not if you're going to a parent-teacher conference or something like that. It's very bold, very pretty. It's almost got red tones to it. I'll have to see when I take a look back at the footage what it looks like on, but ooh, that is bright. Well, that's all we have for today. That was super great. I'm gonna have to take that on our trip to New York when we go. We're singing in Lincoln Center, so that's exciting, and I'm very enthusiastic. We're rehearsing tonight at choir practice, so it's gonna be a great night, and I'm super happy. I hope you liked today's unboxing. It was a lot of fun to do this on camera, and let me know if you want to see more of these. Give this a like and comment below if you'd like to see anything else in the upcoming videos or any other products you'd like for me to test out on camera. But I might have to pre-test them because this was not a good choice. This was not a good choice for a first choice, but it's pretty. It is very pretty, very bold, very pretty. Okay, so it's time to go. See y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you, what's my ending line? No matter what side of the bed you woke up on, you can always end your day on a high note. Bye guys.